you would have heard these lines that this never happened. You are imagining things. You are too sensitive. And over time, start questioning your own thoughts and your own memory. You do not trust your own brain. It is not happening with everyone or around everyone. It happens only with a specific person. You start to feel foggy, or you are confused with any specific person. Whenever you are in a company, whenever you are having conversation with them, you are feeling confused. You are always constantly apologizing to that person without even knowing the reason.